In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with your Google Calendar. This is a super handy trick if you're using both platforms and want to keep everything streamlined and easy to manage. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through the steps. First up, you'll need to head over to Outlook.com and log into your account. This step ensures you're accessing all the right settings and can see your calendar data. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a little gear icon. Click on that. This will open up the settings menu, which is where all the magic happens. From the settings menu, you want to navigate to the section labeled Calendar. Under that, you'll see an option for shared calendars. Go ahead and click on that link. Now you're going to be dealing with the section that talks about publish a calendar. You'll need to choose the specific calendar you want to sync with Google from the drop-down menu. Make sure the permissions are set to Can View All Details. This step is really important because it ensures your Google Calendar will have complete visibility of your Outlook events. Once you've set the permissions, hit the Publish button. This action will generate an ICS link, which is a type of file that helps calendars communicate with each other. You'll see the link appear. Go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to Google Calendar, where you'll log into your account. Once you're in, look on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the Other Calendars section and click on the plus sign, plus next to it. From the drop-down menu, select From URL. A prompt will appear asking for a URL. Here's where you'll paste that ICS link you just copied from Outlook. Before you hit Add Calendar, take a peek at the checkbox that says Make Public. If you want to keep your calendar private, make sure that box is unchecked. After adding the calendar, it will appear in your list of calendars. For a final touch, you might want to give it a custom name so you can easily identify it. To do that, hover over the newly added calendar. You'll see 3 dots appear. Click there and choose Settings. You can edit the name from this menu to whatever you like. And there you have it. Your Outlook events will now appear in your Google Calendar, making it easier than ever to manage your schedule in one convenient place. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.